The Vivo X60 Pro Plus features a front-to-back 3D curvature design and it comes with vegan leather encased back and dual-tone step. It is available in Emperor Blue color. The phone comes with a 12GB RAM and 256GB internal memory that allows for seamless multitasking. It comes with dual SIM with dual standby. Vivo X60 Pro Plus has a 6.56-inch AMOLED display with 2376 by 1080 pixels resolution that delivers vivid colors and clarity for an immersive viewing experience. With a 120Hz refresh rate, you can play high-speed games on the phone without blur. The phone comes with a 50-megapixel quad camera, including a 48-megapixel ultra-wide gimbal camera. The phone features Extreme Night Vision 2.0, ultra-wide night and pro sports mode to enhance your photography. It also comes with a 32-megapixel selfie camera. Powered by FunTouch OS 11.1 that is based on Android 11 operating system with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 octa-core processor. This phone makes downloading as well as browsing very smooth. Vivo X60 Pro Plus comes with a 4200 mAh battery with 55 watts flash charge. The box includes handset, earphones, documentation, USB cable, USB power adapter, SIM ejector, protective case and protective film. This product comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For return or replacement policy, refer to product detail page. For further information, visit the product detail page.